Welcome to the Employment and Education Support webinar series. My name is Vishnu Sundaram. I'm an occupational therapist with the Bedfordshire Chronic Fatigue Syndrome Service and the BLMK Post COVID Fatigue Syndrome Service. Chronic fatigue is a complex condition that can occur as a result of many different factors. It can have an impact on various aspects of life. One of the common aspects is employment and or education. In this webinar, we will have up to 14 sessions, each lasting between 5 to 15 minutes. You can choose the topics that interest you the most and watch them at your own pace. In addition to this webinar, we will provide you with a workbook and a reflective tool. Now let's go through a brief overview of what each session will cover. In session 1, we will start with discussing the value of employment or education if you are a student. In session 2, we will address the common difficulties faced by individuals experiencing chronic fatigue in the workplace or when pursuing studies. Session 3 will cover general strategies for managing fatigue at place of work or study. Session 4 will offer some tips for managing perfectionism and a brief discussion on how to be assertive in the workplace or educational settings. In session 5, we will explore the advantages and disadvantages of disclosing health conditions in a work or study environment. Session 6 will provide a brief overview of essential legal aspects relevant to employment and education and how these can support individuals with chronic fatigue. Session 7 will focus on the reasonable adjustments for employees that can help manage your symptoms. However, these adjustments may vary depending on the nature of your job. In session 8, we will discuss the possible reasonable adjustments for students. In session 9, we have put together some guidance for when you are off sick. In session 10, we will offer some advice to help you to return to work. Session 11 is going to focus on return to study. Session 12 is specifically aimed at individuals currently working, offering guidance on what to consider if your current job isn't suitable for you. In session 13, we will provide brief guidance on how to start or get back to working. At the end of this webinar, in session 14, we will address some frequently asked questions. While this webinar is designed to help to the majority, we advise consulting your chronic fatigue specialist clinician for more personalized guidance and planning. Thank you, everyone. Meet you all in session 1.